Hey, welcome back to Good Morning Vail Live. We are here at the GoPro Mountain Games. Bill Poupart, he is the Western Sales Manager with Costa, the best sunglasses on the planet. Let's just clarify that right now. For those of you that didn't know, Bill, thanks for taking time out of your busy schedule to spend some time here.
You know what, Mark? Thanks for being here and helping us out. We've been a long-time sponsor of GoPro Games in the Indy X-Fly competition, and we're here to talk about our Costa 580 lens and some of our new products. As you know, Costa is the fastest growing sunglass brand out there for the last 15 years, and we have patented polarized protection in our 580 lens. And the unique thing about our 580 lens that we like to talk about is we actually have 100% true polarizing efficiency, and we block more yellow light than anybody else in the business, so it actually improves clarity and contrast in the lens. So for any kind of water type activity, we actually have the best polarization. You can see further in the water column, so for anglers it's going to help them see more fish to catch more fish.
And let's get into the comp real quick. I'll mention it because I was there yesterday, and unfortunately I'm standing here right now. I should have made the finals to fish, but for the top 15 guys and 5 ladies that made it to even the second round of qualifying, they all got to pick out a new pair of Costa glasses. And today, out of those 20 people, 10 of them get to go and fish, and they're actually fishing right now in the upper Colorado, and they're wearing their Costas. And we're going to see how it all plays out, but it's an amazing event, and we're very happy to have Costa as that title sponsor for that event because it's big and it grows every year. I've competed in it for years, and the scale and the quality of the casters and the competitors is just kind of through the roof. Yeah.
It is, and that angler, that's our core market. That's where we started our business back in 1983, and it's always going to be core to us. I mean, that's our first focus, and we're making product that's going to be, handle the tough environment they're in, whether it's salt or fresh water.
I want to ask you a question real quick. I'm going to hand you this because there's a very, very phenomenal story with these nets that get lost and left in the ocean.
So we're working with the Chilean fishing industry, and so what we're doing is we're taking nets that were disposed of in the open ocean. Okay, so you take a nylon net like this.
That could this wreaks havoc on the fish and the marine life too. Exactly. If it's stuck in the water.
Yeah, they become attractants for fish, and they get caught in there, and they get bigger and bigger and bigger, and they pick up trash and everything. So, but 10% of the plastic waste in the ocean is discarded fishing nets. So what we're doing is we're working with that Chilean fishing industry, taking the nets from here.
Okay.
And then we turn them into new nylon beads, okay? And this is new nylon resin that we can turn into sunglasses. So this is kind of the intermediary step, and then we end up here.
And then it goes into the frames of some of your 580 lenses.
Exactly. So what we do is this entire product is 100% upcycled. Okay, so you've got a new non-virgin nylon frame, recycled aluminum temple icons. The foam on the glasses is actually old running shoes that we get from Patagonia. It's a product called Plus Foam.
How neat is that, though? What a great story behind that.
And then at the end of the use of this product, if the consumer so wishes, they can send it back to Plus Foam, and the whole thing can be recycled again. It's the first ever 100%
Why would they ever do that? I mean, why would they ever get rid of them once they have them? I'm sure it happens, though, right?
Yes, it does.
And this is called Untangled. This is the Untangled collection.
Untangled collection. Okay. Yes, it's been a hit. It's been out for a year. We're coming out with the 2.0 version later this year.
From that to that.
Yeah, it's a great story, and Costa is very cause-oriented, and we're always working with getting waste out of the water stream, and this is a great example of it. And we're the only company doing this, so very unique to us.
Let's touch on a little bit of I would love to talk about O-Search a little bit because that's fascinating also. Yeah. Can you just kind of touch on what O-Search is?
Yeah, so our O-Search, we work with a group, and we've been their title sponsor for a very long time. And what O-Search does is they are doing open water great white shark research. And what they do is they actually bring in great white sharks, and they do all kinds of tests, and they take that content. They have scientists on their boat, and they beam that content to universities and high schools around the world. They have billions of social media hits every year. It's run by a guy by the name of Chris Fisher. And Chris Fisher started this, and it's a very unique thing because they're learning things about great white sharks that nobody knew. Where they go to birth, where they go to eat, how far they travel in the course of a year. And on their website, you can go on it, osearch.org, and you can track the sharks that they've tagged. And the way Costa helps is we pay for the satellite tracking tags, which are very expensive. We provide those to them. We provide product to them. A unique thing about them that I love is that they've actually done more open water expeditions than Jacques Cousteau.
Wow.
Okay, so some of us older guys out there, we know Jacques Cousteau and how prolific that guy was. But Chris Fisher, they're very humble guys. They love what they do.
Love that
and
story.
they're making a difference in the oceans.
Thanks for being here. Search. Bill, it's nice to meet you.
Mark, likewise. Thank you so
Enjoy the
much.
rest of your time here at the GoPro Mountain Games. We have the whole crew behind the scenes kind of watching. Hey, we're taking a quick break. We have a look at that weather. Stop by the Costa booth. It's located right across from the slack line at Solaris. Say hi to the team, and we'll be right back.
This Weather and Mountain Report is brought to you by